In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive view to manage your multiple projects and daily tasks in Notion, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Notion enthusiast or a beginner just getting started, by the end of this session, you'll have a clear, organized space to keep track of everything you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This workspace will be the hub for all your projects, documents, and tasks. You want to make sure you've connected all the relevant aspects of your work life into Notion, so everything is accessible in one place. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to gather everything you need before we move on. Now, you should see the familiar Notion interface. What you need to do next is click on the Login button. This step will take you into your personalized workspace where all the magic happens. Ensure all your credentials are handy and that you're logged into the right account to avoid any potential hiccups later on. Once you're in, navigate to the Notion home. This central hub is where you'll access all your pages and projects. Take a moment to explore if you're not familiar with it yet. It's essential to feel comfortable moving around this space, as it's where you'll return to manage everything we'll set up today. The next step is to click on the Marketplace. This is where you'll discover a vast array of templates and tools that Notion offers. By exploring these resources, you can leverage pre-built solutions to assist you in organizing your tasks and projects efficiently. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Notion Task. This search will yield a variety of template options specifically designed to help you manage daily tasks and projects. Carefully browse through the results. It's worth taking the time to read through the descriptions and reviews of each template to find the one that best suits your needs. After you've found the perfect task management template, it's time to select it. With this template, you'll have a structural guideline to follow as you populate your space with tasks and projects. This step will essentially lay the groundwork for your organization strategy in Notion. And just like that, you've created a dedicated view for managing your multiple projects and daily tasks in Notion, a centralized space where you can seamlessly bridge high-level goals with your everyday actions. Remember, customizing the template to fit your unique workflow can enhance productivity even further. Feel free to tweak settings, add columns, or rearrange sections to better adapt to your style of work. Congratulations! You now have the foundations of a robust system to keep all your tasks and projects in check. Embrace the flexibility and scalability that Notion offers, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for joining me, and happy organizing!